Dear friends, knowledge is a power, but this power should be channelized effectively. If it comes to spoken English class, we believe that vocabulary and grammar builds your lighthouse of knowledge, and it makes you even more powerful when you learn English communication skill. English language training, they're going to help you all, the guys and girls. So here we go.
So my first word is elaborate.
Elaborate, E-L-A-B-O-R-A-T-E. तफसील से बयान करना. इसका synonym है explain, E-X-P-L-A-I-N. Yes, please.
Can you please elaborate your idea further?
Can you please elaborate your idea further? A very good morning, guys and girls. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Dear friends, knowledge is a power, undoubtedly, but this power should be channelized effectively. If it comes to spoken English class, we believe that vocabulary and grammar builds your lighthouse of knowledge, and it makes you even more powerful when you learn English communication skill. English can do wonders in your life, but it needs to be learned from an institution which specializes in teaching it. We teach you English language with the help of a little bit of grammar, the basic structural English, as a matter of fact, not a stereotyped, hackneyed grammar, and vocabulary as well. There are many methods of learning and teaching language. Well, the very famous is GTM, Grammar Translation Method, and then there is a direct method. These are two very effective tools of teaching English or any language, by the way. So when it comes to learning English language, so structural English and vocabulary play a key role in teaching and training the students. We also have presentation classes, conversation practice. We have sometimes super duper pronunciation and accent development or training classes as well. They're very important, very crucial part of our class. Today, we are going to learn 20 brand new words of C1 level formal academic vocabulary with their English synonyms and their Urdu translation. And the most importantly, we are also going to learn those words with the help of those sentences, because they have been used in sentences and with the Urdu translation as well. So, dear friends, glue to the institute, glue to the channel rather, and keep on watching our videos regarding English language training. They're going to help you all, the guys and girls. So here we go. So let's get started, please. Yes.
So my first word is elaborate.
Elaborate, E-L-A-B-O-R-A-T-E. तफसील से बयान करना. इसका synonym है explain, E-X-P-L-A-I-N. Yes, please.
Can you please elaborate your idea further?
Can you please elaborate your idea further? क्या मजीद अपना आइडिया जो है वो तफसील से बयान कर सकते हैं? शाबाश. Number 2.
Second word is emphasize.
Emphasize, E-M-P-H-A-S-I-Z-E. Emphasize, जोर देना. Synonym इसका highlight, H-I-G-H-L-I-G-H-T, highlight.
The report emphasizes the need for reform.
The report emphasizes the need for reform. Right, very good.
My third word is evaluate.
Third word is evaluate, E-V-A-L-U-A-T-E, evaluate, जांचना, अंदाजा लगाना. Assess, इसका synonym है A-S-S-E-S-S, assess.
The teacher will evaluate the student performance.
The teacher will evaluate the student's performance. उस्ताद तलबा की कारकर्दगी का जायजा लेंगे.
My fourth sentence is establish.
Fourth word is इनका establish, E-S-T-A-B-L-I-S-H, establish, कायम करना, साबित करना. इसका synonym है set up या prove.
The researcher established a new theory.
The researcher established a new theory. Researchers ने, मुहक्किक ने एक नया नजरिया कायम किया.
My fifth word is enhance.
Enhance, E-N-H-A-N-C-E, enhance, बेहतर बनाना, बढ़ाना. इसके synonym है improve, IMPROVE. Sentence, please.
The new system will enhance productivity.
The new system will enhance productivity. जो नया निज़ाम है पैदावार में इजाफा करेगा. Well done. Yes, please. The next ones. Yes, please. Now.
So, sir, word number 6 is engage.
Engage. ENGAGE. Engage. शामिल करना, मशगूल करना. इसका सिनोनिम है participate. 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 Now, please the sentence.
Students were actively engaged in the discussion.
The students were actively engaged in the discussion. तलबा बहस में सरगर्मी से शामिल थे. शाबाश.
So, word number 7 is emerge.
The word is emerge. 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 उभरना, जाहिर होना. Its synonym is appear. 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 Sentence, please.
A clear pattern began to emerge from the data.
A clear pattern began to emerge from the data. Data से एक वाज़े नमूना या नक्शा उभरने लगा. शाबाश.
So, word number 8 is exceed.
Exceed. EXCEED. Exceed. तजावुज़ करना, बढ़ जाना. Synonym इसका surpass. SURPA. surpass. Sentence, please.
The final cost exceeded our expectations.
The final cost exceeded. आखिरी लागत जो है वो बढ़ गई. Exceeded our expectations. हमारे तवक्कुआत से. आखिरी लागत हमारे तवक्कुआत से बढ़ गई.
So, word number 9 is exclude.
Exclude. EXCLUDE. Exclude. खारिज करना. इसका सिनोनिम है omit. 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 Sentence, please.
He was excluded from the meeting.
He was excluded from the meeting. उसे इजलास से खारिज कर दिया गया, बाहर निकाल दिया गया.
So, 10th word is exhibit.
Exhibit. EXHIBIT. Exhibit. पेश करना, दिखाना. इसका सिनोनिम है display. DISPLAY. Display.
The artist will exhibit her work in the gallery.
The artist will exhibit her work in the gallery. फनकारा अपनी तख्लीकात गैलरी में पेश करेगी. शाबाश. Yes, please. Now it's your turn.
The 11th word is explore. Expand.
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 EXPAND. Expand. फैलाना, तोसी देना. Synonym है इसका enlarge. 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 Sentence, please.
The company is going to expand its business.
The company is going to expand its business. The company plans to expand its business. Company plan करती है expand करने का, वसअत देने का अपने business को.
The 12th word is explore.
Explore. EXPLOR. Explore. दरियाफ्त करना, खोज लगाना. Synonym इसका है investigate. INVESTIGAT. Investigate. Sentence, please.
The study explores the effect of climate changes.
The study explores the effects of climate change. मुतालिया मौसमियाती तब्दीलियों के असरात का जायजा लेता है. शाबाश. The next word,
The
please.
13th word is express.
Express. EXPRESS. Express. इजहार करना. Synonym है इसका convey. CONVEY. पहुंचाना, इजहार करना. A sentence, please.
He expressed his opinion clearly.
He expressed his opinion clearly. उसने अपना ख्याल या अपनी राय वाज़े तौर पर जाहिर कर दी या पेश कर दी.
The 14th word is enforce.
Enforce. Enforce. नाफिज करना. और इसका सिनोनिम है implement. 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 इसका sentence, please.
The rules are strictly enforced here.
The rules are strictly enforced here. यहाँ कवानीन सख्ती से नाफिज किए जाते हैं. The last one, please.
The 15th word is encounter.
Encounter. सामना करना. ENCOUNTER. इसका सिनोनिम होगा face. मुकाबला करना, सामना करना. Sentence, please.
I encountered many challenges during this project.
I encountered मैंने इस मंसूबे के दौरान कई चैलेंजेस का सामना किया. या करना पड़ा. I encountered many challenges during this project. The last 5 words, please.
My 16th word is estimate.
Estimate, E-S-T-I-M-A-T-E, estimate, अंदाजा लगाना. और इसका synonym है approximate, A-P-P-R-O-X-I-M-A-T-E, approximate. Sentence, please.
It's difficult to estimate the exact amount.
जी, it's difficult to estimate the exact cost या exact amount. दुरुस्त लागत का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है. Yes, number 17, please.
Evolve.
Evolve, E-V-O-L-V-E, evolve, इर्तका होना, तरक्की करना. सिनोनिम है इसका develop, D-E-V-E-L-O-P, develop.
Languages evolves over time.
Language evolves over time. जुबान वक्त के साथ साथ इर्तका पजीर होती है. जो जबान है जी.
The word 18 is embrace.
Embrace, E-M-B-R-A-C, embrace, कबूल करना, अपनाना, गले लगाना. सिनोनिम है इसका accept, A-C-C-E-P-T, accept, कबूल करना. जी, sentence, please.
The community embraced the new rules.
शाबाश. The community embraced the new policy या new rule. Community ने नई पॉलिसी को कबूल कर लिया. शाबाश.
The word 19 is
Extract,
extract.
E-X-T-R-A-C-T, extract, निकालना होता है. जैसे आप निकालते हैं ऑयल वगैरह निकालते हैं किसी प्रोडक्ट से, या और भी वर्ड्स इस्तेमाल. रिमूव किस सेंस में इस्तेमाल होता है? R-E-M-O-V-E, रिमूव. और इससे सेंटेंस, प्लीज.
Oil is extracted from deep underground.
Oil is extracted from deep underground. तेल जमीन के अंदर गहराई से निकाला जाता है.
The word 20 is enable.
Enable, लास्ट वर्ड हमारा आज का है enable, E-N-A-B-L-E, enable, काबिल बनाना. और इसका सिनोनिम है allow, allow. सेंटेंस इसका प्लीज.
Technology enable us to communicate instantly.
Technology enables us, टेक्नोलॉजी हमें काबिल बनाती है to communicate, कि हम बातचीत कर सकें instantly और फौरी तौर पर. So टेक्नोलॉजी हमें फौरन राब्ता करने के काबिल बनाती है. May Allah bless you all. Thank you very much indeed.